Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Brent, and today we have a Pontiac G6 that was left in a barnyard for 5 years under a tree, and after only 5 years, it grew all of this moss on the car. Now, I want to ask you guys a question, because if you look at the car, one half of it has a ton of green moss on one side, and then when you look at the other side, there's not as much. So I want to ask you guys if you know why this would happen. There obviously has to be reasoning behind it, so how come after only sitting for 5 years, one side of the car is covered in green moss and the other isn't? But you guys are in for a treat because this is one of our most satisfying videos we've ever made. All the pressure washing is so relaxing to watch. I'm not even going to talk for a long time because I want you guys to be able to see all this footage because it is absolutely amazing. But all I'm going to say is if you're not subscribed to the channel, we have some really cool stuff coming up, so make sure you're subscribed, and also if you could leave a like on this video, that shows us that you guys like what we're doing. Other than that, sit back, relax, and enjoy one of the most satisfying videos that you're going to see at least this week. So getting into the detail, you guys might wonder why we always start by vacuuming a lot of the outside stuff, and all we're doing is vacuuming out the engine jams and the trunk. That way we're not blowing everything all over our shop. It just makes it easier for cleanup later. But once we get most of the loose stuff vacuumed up, we're able to move on to the actual cleaning, and we'll start with the wheels.
Alright guys, so for whatever reason, manufacturers decided it was a good idea to rivet a front license plate mount onto the front bumpers of cars. I don't know why, like it's that important that it needs 4 rivets in order to hold the license plate on. Anyways, it sucks because as detailers we need to get back here in order to clean, decon, polish, make nice again. And there's these massive holes left over, and the only way to get these rivets out, unless someone in the comments tells me otherwise and tells me I'm a big dummy, but I've only known one way. Oh my god. Now you got some big holes in your bumper. And you can put like little, what do you want to call it? Like little mollies or something and screw the plate into there if you'd like. Or you can put this one back on, but I mean, how ugly is that? Good job, Pontiac. No wonder you're not around.
If you're a detailer or you just like to clean your cars at home, comment your favorite way that you guys like to clean your gas cap area. I'm curious to see all the different methods that you guys use. And after spraying the whole car off, we'll go ahead and hit the door jambs as well while we have the pressure washer available, and that's just going to save us a bunch of time later. And the last thing we'll do before actually washing the car is the engine bay. Our process for that is spraying it down and then using a degreaser, but not letting it sit for too long, because if you do, it will damage the plastics. So while you're doing this, you kind of want to move fast. And then we'll use our soft bristle brushes to agitate it, spray it all away, and then use a leaf blower to blow away any water so it's not sitting in the engine. And now moving into the car, it was actually surprisingly clean, minus this one spot that was pretty moldy and the seats, but other than that, it wasn't too bad. So for the floor mats, instead of vacuuming them, since they have shorter fibers, it's actually easier to use a Tornador attachment and blow everything out of them, and then go ahead and use the pressure washer in the normal cleaning process. It just saves a lot of time and you still get the same great result at the end. After actually cleaning the windows, we wanted to get this little patch of adhesive that was still left over, and then we cleaned the door jambs one more time with the sealant to make them really shine and look good. We always do this, but you guys don't actually see that in the videos. And then this car was good to go. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe. And we're going to be having Robbie Layton on the channel coming up soon, so you guys definitely don't want to miss that. But anyways, we'll see you guys next Saturday.